Hello guys, how are you? My name is Sharuk. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about something very unexpected that happened to me today and also a few months ago. Anyways, please stay tuned and watch the video till the end. It might sound like in the beginning that it has nothing to do with my channel, but if you watch the video till the end, you will understand what is the message that I want to convey to you guys. By the way, before continuing on about the topic of this video, I would like to tell you guys that the method that I am about to share with you guys is mind-boggling. I mean, no one has ever done it. Can you imagine it? I searched on Google, I searched everywhere, and no one has ever done it before. So I am very excited to share it with you guys. By the way, here's a little disclaimer. I'm not responsible for what happens to your mobile. What I am about to share with you guys is based on my personal experience and it has worked for me. So I'm not responsible for anything. So let's get started. It all started a few months ago. I took my mobile with me while I was taking a shower. Due to coronavirus, the gym were closed. I was working out at home. Before taking a shower, I made a video of myself in the bathroom looking at my muscles and wanted to see if changes were occurring in my body because I was following a different diet and I wanted to see some changes in my body. So I recorded a video of myself, as you can imagine, without anything, and after recording the video, I deleted it right away. After that, while I was taking a shower, I decided to watch a YouTube video. I know it's completely absurd, but this is how it happened. And while I was taking a shower, water was sprinkling on the screen. So I said it's an iPhone, it doesn't matter, nothing will happen. I was watching the video while I was taking a shower with one hand watching the video and with the other hand taking a shower, and then afterwards I said, okay, fine, I like this video. I saved that video. By the way, it was a Bollywood song. I'm a fan of Bollywood songs. So I put it away and I started taking a shower. And after getting out of the shower, I decided to listen to music again. Guess what? My mobile was doing crazy stuff. I mean, it started to open apps by its own. It started to write things on its own. I didn't know what was going on. So I wanted to turn off the mobile, but I couldn't because it kept pressing the button automatically. Anyways, long story short, it uploaded a picture of me on Instagram while I was eating with a friend. Nothing bad happened, but thank God, thank you, Sharo, you deleted that video. Because otherwise it would have uploaded that video, literally. It would have literally uploaded that video on Instagram. Everyone would literally be watching it. Can you believe it? I was shocked, guys. I was freaking out. I was really freaking out in that moment because I was like, thank God you deleted that video. So what I did was I asked my friends, what should I do about it? Because my mobile is not working. I mean, it was going crazy and there was a moment that it stopped working. And my friends told me, hey, you can put your mobile in dry rice. After 2 or 3 days, turn it on and everything will be fine. I did it, it didn't work. And then I also did one thing was that I used a hair dryer to dry my mobile, but it didn't work also. After 1 month, my mobile started to work. Now guess what? Today, it happened to me again. Not because I took my mobile to the bathroom while taking a shower. What I did was, I was doing the dishes and I had my mobile right beside the sink. And guess what? Water started sprinkling again on the screen, but this time, I wasn't aware of it. After doing the dishes, I checked my mobile and I said, oh fuck. Don't tell me I did it again. I used a cloth to wipe off the water from the screen and dried it. And afterwards, when I tried it to check whether it was working well or not, it literally started to do the same thing again. It literally did the same thing again. I was freaking out. I said, oh my gosh, because I'm doing an online business. And as I'm doing, apart from my YouTube channel, I do other stuff, which I will share with you guys in other videos, because I promise you guys, I made 10,000 euros during the first wave of coronavirus in 2 months. And I'm going to share with you guys that secret. I will make a separate video on it, so please stay tuned and watch that video also. Anyways, getting back to my point. I didn't know what to do. I was freaking out. Some friends of mine again said, why don't you put it in dry rice again? Or some friend of mine, she said to me, why don't you dry your mobile with a hair dryer or something? But I was like, I already did this before and it didn't work. Guess what? Something popped into my mind. It was an aha moment. The idea that I had in my mind was, Sharo, anything that happens to you in your life that is unexpected, give it a positive meaning. It means that you're going in the right direction. Don't give it a negative meaning. Give it a positive meaning. You need to understand for a fact that something good is about to happen. And guess what? After 5 minutes, another idea popped into my mind. And the idea was to put the mobile in the freezer. And I put the mobile in the freezer for only 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, my mobile was working perfectly. And I was like, this is a great discovery and I need to share it with you guys. I was in the right state of mind. And I received this idea of putting my mobile in the freezer for 3 minutes. Guys, really, it works. It worked for me and it will work for you guys. But remember, not more than 3 minutes. Okay guys, now it's time to wrap up. So guys, not only is my intention to share this discovery with you guys, there is a message behind it. There is a message that I want to convey to you guys. And the message is, whenever something unexpected happens to you in your life, rejoice. Rejoice. Give it a positive meaning. You're going in the right direction. Trust your life. Let it be. And tell yourself that there's something big that is about to happen. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up.